We want to make shooting good 3D as easy as possible. And of course, one of the most important aspects of good 3D is the separation between the two cameras, or your interaxial distance. So to make this easier for you, we've included 4 different scales, one in inches, one in metric, and then 2 scales where we've done all the calculations for you. There are 2 IA scale holders on the robber rig, one per camera. So the first is here on the back, and then the second IA scale holder is right up top right here. Now these change out really easily. All you have to do is pop off the plastic and then replace the paper with a scale that you want to use, and then just push the channel back into place. To set the 0 on the scales, what you want to do is align your cameras first. Now you may find, because of your particular combination of lenses and camera, that where your camera's 0 point is, or where they start, is actually a little bit to the left or a little bit to the right. So find out where that is, and then adjust your paper scale so that the 0 matches this edge of your slider. Then, as you go to set your depth, all you have to do is slide the top camera over by the depth you want and start shooting. Now, the robber rig ships with 4 different scales. You have metric, imperial, or inches, and then there are 2 scales where we've done all the math for you. So let's take a look at those right now. Okay, here we have our screen depth factor 30 IA scale. Now this is really nice because we've done all the math for you. All you have to do is measure your distance to the subject. So if you're 300 centimeters from your subject, you take the slider, slide it over so it's in line with the 300, lock it down. That's the correct depth setting. If you're a meter from your subject, slide it over, lock it down. It's really that easy. Now the grayed out area on the far right of the scale, that's for more advanced depth settings, and I'll go over that in another tutorial.